What's up YouTube? It's been a minute, but I'm back with another quick haul video. As you can see in front of you, I have a couple new pickups from Reebok. Basically, I got two new pairs of Reebok Classics, but what makes this haul special is that I got both of these pairs for 50% off. And I want to preface this video by saying that with these pairs in particular, they are pretty hard to come by on sale. So I'll talk about how I got that later in the video. But first, let's check out the pickups and see what's inside. Alright, so the first pair right here is a pair of Club C85 vintages in this cream and royal blue colorway. The Club C85s are one of my favorite Reebok models. It's such a clean and classic silhouette. It's a timeless sneaker that just goes with about anything, and it's a very reliable sneaker that is very easy to wear. Some quick details about this shoe in particular is that the quality is actually very decent. The upper is made of this mostly classic leather material, and again, the leather quality is really good for the price. In hand, it's just super plush and soft to the touch. The color leather they use on these is this off-white / cream colorway, and as we move to the front of the shoe, they also utilize a pretty decent quality suede along the toe box as well. Moving up to the tongue, they do utilize this exposed aesthetic, exposing the foam right there, which definitely adds on to that vintage aesthetic. And then the inner lining here is made of a very soft felt-like material. And then the royal blue they incorporated into the logo, the heel, the inside, and the outsole all just really gives the shoe a nice vibrant pop of color. Alright, as for the second pair right here, these are a pair of classic leathers, the vintage version in this vintage gray / silver colorway. Similar to the Club C85s, the quality of this leather is very good considering the price. Not only do they utilize a very soft leather along most if not the whole upper, but they also utilize a good quality suede along the toe box as well. This is the vintage silhouette, so you can definitely see that play off with the off vintage gray / cream hues. And then as for the Reebok logo, you can see that nice silver shining hit right there. That silver hits on both sides of the shoe as well as the heel. And then as for the tongue, you got that nylon tongue that just never misses. And then on the patch on the tongue, you can see this little cartoon right there with the person playing tennis. And I thought that was a really nice touch, because after all, this is a very classic tennis sneaker. So both the Club C85s and the Reebok Classic Leathers are probably my top two favorite Reebok models. Personally for me, I find myself always falling back to one of these two sneakers. These two silhouettes are just very classic sneakers that are reliable, go with just about anything, and are timeless. They pretty much have never gone out of style, at least over the past several decades, and the quality for the price is just unmatched. So speaking of quality for the price, again, I do want to argue that Reebok Classic sneakers are arguably one of the most affordable and stylish sneakers. But with that being said, as much as I do love my share of Reebok sneakers, I honestly would never pay full retail for these shoes. With pretty much all the Reebok sneakers I've ever owned, I've always been able to come across them at some sort of discount. With these two pairs right here, I managed to cop both of these for 50% off. And how I did that was pretty much through a coupon from T-Mobile Tuesdays. If you didn't know, T-Mobile does offer these perks to their customers, in which just about every Tuesday they will send random coupons and perks and discounts. And just last week, T-Mobile offered a 50% off coupon for the Reebok website. Now keep in mind that 50% isn't just a generous discount, but it was discounted on classic models like these. Which again, these models are very hard to come by on a discount or on any sale. I would say from my knowledge, the rare occasions that you can find these kind of models on sale, you might find them at an outlet every once in a while. Obviously you have the major shopping holidays like Black Friday and Cyber Monday and things like that. But otherwise, these shoes are rarely ever discounted on the website, if at all. So you really have to keep your eye out for some sort of coupon if you want to save any money on some of the most classic sneakers of all time. This is my personal bias, but there's just something about Reebok sneakers that time and time again, I always find myself falling back into these shoes. You know, with many years in the sneaker game, as I've seen trends come and go, I somehow every once in a while find myself coming back to Reebok sneakers. Again, they're just reliable and simple sneakers that just go with about anything. They're easy to style, they're affordable, they look great. You can dress them down to be sporty, or you can dress them up a little more to incorporate them in a more menswear type of wardrobe. So let me know in the comments if you're feeling Reeboks at all. If you do, which Reebok silhouette is your favorite? And so if you made it this far in the video, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button, it'll help me out a lot. and consider subscribing for more content on style, sneakers, and science. While you're at it, check out my other Reebok related videos here or here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.